So here's the truck. I'm probably gonna end up sinking this truck. Because I'm probably gonna end up sinking this truck. Because I'm probably gonna end up sinking this truck. I'm probably gonna end up sinking this truck. I don't know how to do it. I don't know the procedure. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm loosening.
If you feel
the honest truth, Samara, that's the scary part.
If you feel any of those emotions, please continue watching this video. Sounds pretty good. Oh, okay. Oh, hello again. Okay, I'm gonna try to... Is that a raindrop on my camera? Something. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna do... Really? Okay, I'm gonna do my best to update you what we did yesterday, because I kind of forgot my camcorder. So I just took notes and kind of took pictures with my phone. Okay. So after we put the motor in, one of the first things we did, I don't remember if I recorded that already, but we put the engine bolt mounts back on. So we mounted the engine with bolts. And basically what you can do for this step of rewiring the engine is to just kind of rewatch how you took it apart. That's probably the easiest way. Anyways, so engine bolt mounts. Then we hooked up, quote, a bunch of shit.
This connects into the wrist bone. Goddamn. The blue thing connects into the red thing. The red thing connects into the light.
The alternator and the power steering. However, like I stated before, our engine was not the exact same one as we had before. We had a lot of issues with, we had to change the oil pan, change this, change that, and basically we finally got it all done, and we're kind of like back to just putting the engine back in. So yeah. Also, I'll show you something. It's raining. I wanted to show you what we found in the new oil pan goodies. So what you can see here is basically all chain guard plastic. But anyways, we found, look how much there is. We're digging in the oil pan and found all of that stuff, and it was not fun, so we might have to do that. We'll make a video, but it's pouring right now, so I'm gonna go inside. Rain or shine, we work hard. Okay, so we basically finished connecting, the exhaust and the rad and just a couple of other little things. And basically, as long as you took it apart, maybe took notes on what you removed, you should be fine. But this is just kind of some of the main things that we're hooking back up. So yes, we reconnected the rad and the exhaust manifold, and then just some other little shit. So yeah, and we're just kind of filling up the fluids again and should be almost ready to start it. Fingers crossed. And just to let you guys know, there's a lot of really good forums online, but we've taken tips from everything, and they're really helpful, so you can always go and check those out too. And if at any point you question, do I really need this gasket? Really? The answer is yes! You need it! Don't cheap out on it. Every little seal. I know it sounds stupid. Of course you need it, right? You need it, so make sure you get it, because our rad is leaking now from the engine, so we have to backtrack. So just trying to help you guys so you don't screw up like us. It's all just a learning process. Hey, nothing's leaking.
Good.
about time.
Don't start filming right now.
Okay, I won't. So after we put in the tranny bolts, which there were 8 of them, I believe. I don't remember. We secured the starter. So that was today's job. And it was a long day. So good luck to you. Make sure you lube up your spark plugs so they don't get stuck and break like the last ones.
Okay, YouTube, I guess on the 22 RE engines, the spark plug order is counting 1 to 4 front to back, and my distributor is labeled, so I don't know, it's easy. Plug it in. Okay. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. It's all labeled.
Wired for life.
Well,
For
after
life.
we finished unhydrolocking our truck, we'll find out if it runs right away.
This is the moment.
And by unhydrolocking it, we bought a new engine and swapped it.
And not just swapped it, like took it apart and transferred almost everything on it.
Because we had the older style 22RE before, we had to transfer our intake manifold, exhaust manifold, and it was an automatic, so we had to put our own clutch on, or change the stuff around, whatever. We had to remove an AC compressor, because we don't have AC, and yeah, hopefully this works.
Hopefully. It is the moment we've been waiting for.
Almost.
Almost. Started. Oh fuck yeah! We did it! Woo! We did it! Yes! Sounds pretty good. Oh, okay. So, start?
Yeah.
Yes! High five! We did it!
Yeah, it sounds like a nut. Well, it sounds better than that one did. That other one sounded all timing chain rattly. This one sounds much less of that problem. I bet you this thing was disintegrated inside too.
This is why you need an air intake. We got the Toyota started! Yeah! It was such a good feeling. Like, it doesn't even feel real, but it is, and we're so excited. So, right now I'm just going to feed our little friend because he's home again. Like, honestly, the one time you wish for a mosquito, the one time, just land on me. Of course not, right? Here we go. Take 10. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. She lives. She's back. She's a little rough right now, but she's back. And to be quite honest, it sounds a lot better than it did before, so that's good. I don't think he has brakes right now, so we're in the middle of trying to figure out why there's no brakes. A lot of people say it's the master cylinder, but we didn't even touch that, so I'm not really sure. And there's no power steering at this moment, so there's a lot of kinks to work out. But he's just taking it on a little loop, and I wanted to videotape the first steps of the new heart of the truck. So, yes, it's raining. And it's not actually not that bad out. I hear him coming back, so we will record this. Here we go. Hopefully it sounds good. Check it out. Here she comes. Ooh, look at that thing. It looks ridiculous without any hood. Fuck yeah. It's sick.
I don't know how to do it. I don't know the procedure. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm loosening.
If you feel
The honest truth, Samara, that's the scary part.
If you feel any of those emotions, please continue watching this video.
Okay, well, I already did it. I twisted it. Now it's leaking out.
Good job.
So I don't know. I have no idea. Did that fix it? Probably not. Oh, Christ.
What was that? Bolt.
I don't know.
You're doing a fine job, baby.
Looks like it's made to be pulled easy.
Yeah. They know you're going to attempt to go through some crazy shit.
Fuck it up.
Yeah. Right. We're gonna go see if the spider is home today. Real nice. Play a little trick on his web. Here we go. Watch him. He's home. There he is. There he is. Sports meets his pride. There he goes. Walk into his home.
The only thing I've done to it so far was put on this Smitty built front bumper.
What do you think? Is this our first off-road with it, or just second? Yeah, this is pretty much the first off-roading for real with the new engine, and it runs pretty damn good.